Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and how to turn off the Siri Voice Assistant. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down. Find the option called Siri, right here, and tap on it. And right here, we have this category called Ask Siri, and we have a couple of options like listen for Hey Siri, rise to speak, and press digital crown. If you want to turn off the Siri completely, you can basically turn all of the options right here, and then tap on turn off Siri, and this will disable the Siri Voice Assistant, and it's gonna be disabled on your watch. If you want to enable it, you need to enable at least one option right here. So for example, we can enable Hey Siri, scroll down and tap on enable Siri, and now the Siri is enabled. And of course you can enable all of the options or only one if you want, and these options allow you to basically wake up Siri by performing some actions like saying Hey Siri, like this. You can also raise your watch to your face and say what you want to say. It should wake up the Siri and it should detect your command. And also you can press the digital crown button, press and hold it to wake up the Siri.
I'm sorry.
Okay. And once you're done and your Siri is enabled or disabled, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you turn on or turn off the Siri Voice Assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.